This phone that you see here is the Samsung S10, but this is a dummy phone. This was sent to us by our buddies over at Subcase, who are known for creating cell phone cases. And they went ahead and not only sent us the phone, but a few of their cases for the new S10 Galaxy phone. So let's go ahead and take this opportunity to go over an in-depth review to see how well these cases perform. Now, although this video is going to be uploaded a day before the official Samsung announcement, but due to the amount of leaks and a bunch of sources from reports, articles, I'm sure this is going to be the official body of the new Samsung S10. And for those wondering, it looks like, yes, the S10 does have an audio jack as well as a USB-C port down here. And this new all-screen body design looks fantastic, and I really do like the speaker grill that's up here. It looks really minimalistic, I think. So these dummy phones are usually sent by the manufacturer to the brand that produces accessories like cases. So this is how accessories are always available when big brand manufacturers release like a new flagship phone. And this dummy phone that we have right here is one of them. Now we have two different style cases from Subcase. We have the UB Pro, which is more like their fully protective heavy duty case. And then we have the UB Metro. This one's mostly minimalistic for usually casual users who just don't want to add too much bulk. And side by side to the Pro version, it isn't really that bulky. And both have perfect cutouts for the USB-C, audio jack, and even a speaker and microphone cutout. It's only the Pro that actually gives you port covers to prevent particles like dust and other materials from getting in. Out of the box, the Pro still does include the holster for your phone, which is nice, not sold separately like other manufacturers normally do. And it's also a two-piece design when placing your phone inside. It does offer a raised lip on the top and the bottom of the case to help it prevent from making contact to the screen whenever you place it on a flat surface. The Metro also has a similar protection on the top and bottom, but it isn't as high as the Pro is. But the feel on the Metro feels really nice and definitely is grippy. And if you take a closer look at the back, it does give you like a two-tone effect, which is pretty cool. So it gets cool design points. And on the back side where the camera is, the opening perfectly wraps around the triple camera setup as well as the sensors. But I have to admit, I do like the kickstand more that's built in on the Pro. It just easily pops out and allows you to place your phone on a flat surface, similar to like how you would if you had a pop socket. And yes, you can actually slide in your finger in the back so you can hold it basically like a pop socket. And when you're no longer using it, you can simply just place it flat down. So yes, unlike the pop socket, you can wirelessly charge it without experiencing any interference. Now, although this dummy model isn't made out of glass like the real one is, it's made out of this plastic that's easily able to get scratched up. But we're going to use this to our advantage to see the point of impact on our drop test, to get an understanding what protection can this case offer to really protect our phone. So this first one I did it with the UB Pro case, and shoulder from apart about 5 feet off the ground. It handled the impact surprisingly well, as there's zero to no marks on the screen, and the bottom of the case did get scratched up. And now doing another impact test in a very similar situation, just this time having the screen pointed down, and the results of the impacts, no scratches on the screen. And all the ports remain closed. And then I went ahead and did another impact test, but this time was just a careless toss. It bounced a few times, made a few impact points to the case, but nothing major, just scratches here and there on the top and bottom end of the case, but the screen is perfectly intact, as well as the ports underneath were perfectly sealed, so survived really well. Now let's go ahead and do the same test on the other case, the Metro. This one's more minimalistic, more for casual use, really low profile. Let's just see how well it performs in the same tests. So, same shoulder width apart, about 5 feet off the ground, facing the bottom, and dropping it, it bounced a few times. And taking a closer look at the screen, there's a couple of nicks right here. So it definitely made some contact on the screen. And these scratches are not coming off, so this could have been some cracks or chips if this was the real phone. So one more time, doing the same test, this time having the screen facing downwards. It did a few flips, and definitely left some big scratches on the case. The bottom looks messed up, and you can easily see the big impact point on the top of the upper screen. So to no surprise, the case that offers the maximum protection is the UB Pro. And to this day, I still find this case to be a better value case, because other brands like Otterbox usually will cost you double the price, and this thing gives you the same amount of protection for half of that. And it also comes in a variety of different color options. Now the Metro, on the other hand, it's good for preventing minor scratches and small drop impacts, but I mean, like on concrete floor, I wouldn't really use this case. It's great for casual users, but I mean, like, this is just mainly for look and a little bit of protection. But there you guys have it. That is some coverage of the Unicorn Beetle for the Samsung Galaxy S10. One I would recommend is the UB Pro. This one, the Metro, nah, I wouldn't really recommend it so much, as I think there's other cases that will offer better protection for the same price. But the Pro, on the other hand, I'll definitely keep this on my radar if I'm looking for a full protection case. So if you guys want to find out where you get these cases, everything will be linked in the video description down below for you guys. And if the video helped you out in any way, do hit that like button, as well as get subscribed so you don't miss another tech video like this. And feel free to comment down below if there's another case you want me to do a similar test to see how well it compares. Maybe we could start a series or something, who knows. But as always, thank you guys for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.